itong activity na to? Tungkol sa yung Philippine-Korean Tech Tungkol saan po ang activity?
This activity is about the turnover of this training center, which is an extension of the Korean Veteran Memorial Hall, right inside the same compound. You know, this compound is called the Philippine-Korea Friendship Center, and the Koreans constructed this building as their way of paying a debt of gratitude, you know, to our Korean War veterans. So 60 years after the Korean War, now that they are one of the G20, 20 wealthiest or most progressive countries in the world, they're looking back, and they believe that were it not for the Korean War veterans, maybe they would not have attained what they were able to achieve today. So this is their way of giving back and strengthening the friendship that existed between our two countries.
Ano po yung bilang ng mga veterans na umaten? Mga ilan lang po?
Ay, umaten ngayon?
Yung mga aten ngayon kanina.
Ano yun eh? They are the members of the board ng PEFTOC. Yung PEFTOC, ito yung Philippine Expeditionary Forces to Korea. So, mga 7,500 yan na pinadala natin. About 20% of them are still alive. So, ang estimate namin, there are still about 1,600 Korean veterans who are still alive. These are younger than the World War II veterans eh. Kasi yung World War II, 1945 matapos, di ba? Ito 1953 na eh. So, kanina, ang nandito yung mga members ng kanilang board. But some of them are also World War II veterans. Like General Pañez, yung kanina, 91 years old na yun. Si Kenneth Viloria is 90. Major Yang is 90 also. Tatanda na rin sila. So, ang tawag nila sa grupo na yung diminishing.
Thank you, sir.